Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove text box outline in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here a text box with an outline. Now we want to remove this outline of this text box. Click the text box. Then go to the shape format menu. Then click the shape outline drop down menu and choose no outline. Now we can see we remove text box outline very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.